In this tutorial, we will show you how to install Ubuntu 20.04 in a VirtualBox machine. At first, download Ubuntu 20.04 long time support version. Download the latest version of VirtualBox. Visit the official VirtualBox website in your web browser. Navigate the folder where you have downloaded your VirtualBox and double-click on the downloaded VirtualBox file to run it. Click on the Next button to proceed. Open VirtualBox and click on the New button. Choose a name for your virtual machine with its location. With the help of the slider, choose the amount of memory, RAM, to be allocated to the virtual machine. Select the amount of space for your virtual machine and click the Create button. Now, your virtual machine has been successfully created and it is time to install Ubuntu on it. Hope you understand the process and install the latest version of Ubuntu as you want. Follow the instructions below to proceed. Click on the Start button in the toolbar to launch your VirtualBox. Follow the instructions to proceed. Now, set your user account here by filling the necessary details and click on the Continue button to proceed. The installation process will begin. Now, restart your system by clicking on the Restart Now option. To install VirtualBox guest additions, follow these steps. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and configured Ubuntu on Windows 10 using VirtualBox, and the welcome screen will appear. Thank you.